Hello everybody, this is Chris Rocha. Thanks for coming to my channel and to this video where we're going to go over 5 reasons to join Dropfunnels. So Dropfunnels is still a relatively new platform that is growing really fast. And I believe that one of the reasons for the growth is because Dropfunnels is much more than just a sales funnels builder. And we are going to go over some of the details over this video. Okay, so let's start with reason number 1. High page speed. So Dropfunnels high page speed was definitely one of the reasons for me to move from Clickfunnels to Dropfunnels. And the reason was because it was taking so long for my sales funnels to load on Google that it was really hurting my conversion. So it was have my blog on Dropfunnels, and I want to have the chance of ranking on Google and Bing, and page speed is something that the search engines really take in consideration when they're ranking pages. So having high page speed is very important for me, and Dropfunnels definitely offers really good speed, not just for my sales funnels, but also for my blog posts. So this is reason number 1 that I joined Dropfunnels. The second reason that I joined Dropfunnels is because Dropfunnels offers unlimited everything. So at ClickFunnels, I was using the basic plan, and I had a certain number of sales funnels that I was allowed to have within that plan. And now with Dropfunnels, I have unlimited number of sales funnels, and I pay half of what the cost that I was that ClickFunnels was charging me. So it was definitely a great way to save money and with the sales funnels. But besides that, at the time I had my blog built somewhere else, and I was paying to maintain that blog. But now my blog is in Dropfunnels, so everything is included, everything is part of my package, and I can have as many blog posts as I want, blog pages. I can have membership sites. I can build as many products as I like, as many sales funnels as I like. So having everything as like unlimited, it really makes a big difference. So I'm definitely happy, not just financially because it's saving me money, but also because I have everything in one spot. I feel like I have better control of my business. So this was reason number 2. So the third reason I moved from ClickFunnels to Dropfunnels was Dropfunnels made it easy for me to transfer my funnels from ClickFunnels to Dropfunnels. So I did not have to start from scratch with the funnels. I could actually just transfer those to Dropfunnels in a very easy way. So that really made a difference. So I imagine that uh, if you're using a service that you're not happy about it, but you might be dreading the idea of having to rebuild your funnel somewhere else. So just know that Dropfunnels offers this easy transfer with from ClickFunnels to Dropfunnels. So just to keep that in mind. So this was reason number 3. So reason number 4 was because Dropfunnels is built on WordPress. As you know, WordPress is the most widely used blog platform out there, and it allowed me to, like I said, build my blog and take full advantage of the SEO capabilities that WordPress offers. And that really makes a difference for me because I don't want to always have to pay for for paid ads. I want to organically uh, rank and get traffic to my funnels and to my blog. So having everything on WordPress, it opens a door to that, and that's something that with ClickFunnels I didn't have the opportunity to. So this was reason number 4. So reason number 5 for me to join Dropfunnels was because I saved money. I started paying less because now I get much more for my money. Right? It just makes sense to be able to save and to expand my business at the same time. So this was reason number 5. Okay, guys, so recapping, the 5 reasons that I joined Dropfunnels are the high page speed that allowed me to increase my conversions as well as get me ready to rank on search engines. Dropfunnels offered me unlimited everything, so this is a really big deal. The ability of building as unlimited number of sales funnels, uh, blog pages and blog posts and membership sites and products and this and that. So it really this alone to me it's a reason itself for me to move from ClickFunnels to Dropfunnels. And reason number 3 was that I was easily able to transfer my sales funnels from ClickFunnels to Dropfunnels. And that was a big deal too because I didn't want to have to start from scratch. And reason number 4, it is built on WordPress and has all the SEO capabilities that WordPress offers. So that's awesome too. And the reason number 5 is because I pay less, but I get much more. So I pay less now than I used to pay at ClickFunnels, and I get much more for my money. So this is pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for coming again to my channel. I hope this was helpful and gave you a little bit more information about Dropfunnels. If you're ready to start with Dropfunnels, do like I did. I started with a free trial. So if you have a free trial, why not taking advantage of it? So just go to dropfunnelstrial.com and take advantage of the free days that they offer so you can check it out and see if it is for you or not. Uh, Thank you so much for watching this video again. Subscribe to my channel. Be safe, be good, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.